Hi guys, what's up? My name is Divya. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you have been following the workouts that I've been posting each and every day, and I expect you to be regular at least for another 3 months. Okay, एक बार 3 महीना regular रहोगे तो automatically एक rhythm आ जाएगा. Okay, coming to today's topic. Everyone knows कि protein खाना is important. Okay, but the problem is we are never able to meet our daily requirement. Now that's what the topic for the day is. How to meet your protein requirement on a daily basis. At least Monday to Saturday, Sunday, even if it's going for a toss. Okay. So now I've divided this topic into subtopics. So this is how it's going to go. The first topic would be how much protein do you actually need. The second thing would be how much are you currently eating. Third topic would be realistically setting your goals depending on how much are you eating right now. Fourth one would be making a list of protein rich foods. Fifth one would be understanding their protein values, and the sixth one would be allocating those foods into your daily meals. Got it? Now before moving ahead, इतना समझ लो ये एक baseline है. Okay, now इस baseline का मतलब है इतना bare minimum everyone needs. इतना let's say ये baseline protein का है, and this is what each and every person, whether the person is working out, whether the person is not working out, you need this much amount of protein. Now the problem is many of us, we are below the baseline. So your goal should be just reaching the baseline bare minimum. Okay, at least वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. If you're already at the baseline or slightly higher, then probably but obvious और एक step आगे लेना है, because there's always room for improvement. So how much protein do you actually need? Now starting with male, a man usually requires somewhere closer to 1 to 2 grams of protein per kg body weight. Okay, depending on the physical activity. Let's say if you're just working out like once or twice a week, very sedentary lifestyle, then probably your protein intake would be slightly lesser, requirement would be lesser, somewhere closer to 1 to 1.3 grams. If you are moderately active, somewhere closer to 1.3 to 1.5, and if you're pretty much active, you lift heavy weights, then in that case it might be from 1.5 to 2 grams of protein per kg body weight. Same thing goes for female. The requirement is going to be slightly lesser. It ranges from 0.5 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg body weight. So now, first thing first, depending on your weight, you are supposed to just mention on a page कितना protein by the end चाहिए मुझे. Okay, now for example, let me take my example. My body weight is 75 and I'm pretty much active throughout the whole day, and I lift heavy weights. I work out 6 times a week. So in that case, my protein requirement is pretty high. So I'm going to calculate it by 2. Okay, so I need 2 grams of protein per kg body weight. तो इसके हिसाब से वो 75 के हिसाब से मुझे 150 grams of protein throughout the day I need. Okay, so now we are sorted with the first part. Okay, moving on to the second part. You need to understand how much protein are you currently eating. अगर वो नहीं पता चलेगा, then it will be very difficult for you to allocate meals throughout the day. Okay, it's very easy for me to say, हाँ, you need to eat 150 grams of protein, but actually जब ये खाने बैठोगे, that time you'll realize, okay, this is way too difficult if you're not used to it. Okay, and whatever steps that you choose should be such that it should be sustainable. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक वीक 150 पहुंच रहा है, but then it's becoming so difficult for you already, तो ये आगे 6 महीने बाद नहीं करने वाले हो. It's going to be a full stop over there itself, and then you'll be back to square one. Okay, so now to understand how many grams of protein are you eating, simple step, just download the app Healthify Me. Okay, it's Indian based app, so basically whatever you eat throughout the day, from dal, chawal, sabzi, roti, fruits and milk and meat, whatsoever you're eating, you just need to keep feeding it into the app. By the end of the day, it will give you analysis, okay, of how many calories you're eating and your macro distribution, protein, fats, carbs. All what you're concerned right now is how many grams of protein could you reach. Okay, so let's say my goal was 150. Okay, now I've reached somewhere closer to 75 grams according to the app. So मेरा second slab भी एक बार clear हो गया. So now I know 75 grams is what I'm eating. मेरा goal है 150. Next day what do? I don't directly jump to 150. Moving on to the third step. Realistically setting how many grams of protein do I need on a daily basis. Practically अगर मैं बोलने जाऊँ, in my experience, I've been coaching for 8 years, and what I've seen people, and even I've experienced the same. Adding 10 grams of protein per day is quite doable. Okay, it's quite doable. So let's say if I'm eating only 75 grams of protein today, okay, from tomorrow onwards, my goal would be getting to 85 grams. Okay, I'm going to stick to 85 grams for 1 week. slow and steady. 1% change also is enough. Okay, so I'm just going to stick to 85 grams of protein per week. Let my body get used to it. Let me get used to eating more. Okay, and then probably slow and steady I'm going to keep incrementing it. Okay, so let's say एक week में 85 grams of protein खा रहा हूँ. That was very much comfortable. Next week onwards maybe 85 से मैं 90 लूँगा या 95 लूँगा, depending on how difficult it's getting. Okay, slow and steady you're going to step forward. Got it? तो ये हो गया हमारा third step. Moving on to the fourth step, making a list of protein-rich foods. Now, when I say protein-rich foods, these are the foods that you can opt for. Number one, seafood, all sort of seafood. Prawns हो गया या fish हो गया, anything would work. Second one is meat. When I say meat, could be beef, could be chicken, could be mutton, everything, anything works. Third one would be dairy. In dairy, you can have curd, you can have paneer, you can have milk. Everything works. Fourth one is soya chunks, soya beans or tofu. Okay, these are soya products. Fifth one would be other beans like kidney beans, black beans, whatsoever you prefer. Next one comes sprouts and legumes. Okay, these are the protein rich foods. Now what I've done is I'm going to make a chart of all these food sources and how much protein does it have as per 100 grams. Okay, so basically 100 grams of chicken में कितना protein होता है, I'm going to give you value and it will be in the description below. So you can have a look at that. एक बार के लिए ना रट्टा मार लो. Specifically whatever food you eat on a day-to-day basis or whatever your preferences are, उसको एक बार रट्टा मार लो. For example, now I know अगर मैं चिकन खाने वाला हूँ 100 ग्राम चिकन में मुझे 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलने वाला है. So I don't have to calculate मैंने कितना खाया. Approximately I know 100 grams इतना होने वाला है. Okay, and इसमें मुझे 20 grams प्रोटीन मिलने वाले हैं. Okay. Also, one more thing I haven't added over here is whey protein. Whey protein अभी मैं नहीं डाल रहा हूँ. Whey that could be whey or could be vegan pea protein as well for people who are vegan. Okay. So ये हो गया हमारा list of food sources. अभी जो next वाला जो मैंने बोला उनकी values that I'm going to give it to you. Now realistically let's understand how do I allocate these food. Now for example let me tell you अभी in my case जो भी आप खा रहे हो दिन भर में दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी, दिस इज वेरी स्टेबल. इंडियंस का वेरी स्टेबल है ये. मे बी मॉर्निंग में यू विल हैव सम पोहा और मे बी यू विल हैव सम पराठा और मे बी यू विल हैव सम ओट्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. इवनिंग्स में मे बी यू विल स्किप द मील और मे बी यू कैन हैव सम फ्रूट्स और जो भी खाते रहोगे अभी करेंटली. एंड लंच एंड डिनर वुड बी समवट सिमिलर. ओके, नाउ ऑल व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज पिक अप वन फूड सोर्स, okay, out of the list and you're supposed to put it in your plate. Okay, for example, let's say my breakfast in the morning is parathas. I usually eat parathas. I'm not at all oat person. Okay, so parathas के साथ मुझे protein add करना है. Now two options I can think of. One is maybe I can add dahi. Okay, the second thing I can add is milk. Third thing I can add is eggs. Okay, these are the three things that comes in my mind. Okay, so I'm going to add either of the three things. Got it? The second meal would be my lunch. दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी मेरे घर पे बनती है. Okay, वो तो मैं खाने वाला हूँ. Okay, अभी मैं protein add कैसे करूँ? Usually I would prefer chicken or I would prefer paneer depending on whatever my preference और जो मेरा mood है उस हिसाब से. Okay, so I'm going to add some amount of protein in my lunch as well. Got it? Evening snacks में क्या खा सकता हूँ मैं अभी? Evening snacks में I am someone, I need my chai, I need some toast. Okay, so basically those are carb dense foods वैसा. So now I need to add some protein. So protein के लिए maybe I'm going to add some oats and some milk. Okay, or maybe I'm going to have some eggs along with some toast or a slice of bread. That is the second option. Third option, I might have some soya chunks. Okay, fourth option, I'm going to have some curd and some sprouts. Okay, I'm going to add some chaat masala and I'm going to have that. So that is going to increase my protein intake in the evening. And the last one would be my dinner. Dinner would be again very similar to lunch. So that's how now what you realize is you're getting habitual to adding protein in each and every meal. Okay, that is what is important. Right now, don't focus much on quantity. Have a habit of adding protein to each and every meal. अभी let's say ये करने के बाद now मेरा 75 से 85 grams हुआ. Okay, of protein per throughout the day. Now the next step would be अभी मैं क्या करूँ? Next step, how do I increase? Simple है, ये जो food sources है ना इसका ही quantity बढ़ाना है. Okay, जो भी दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी इसको छोड़ के जो भी खा रहे हो उसका food source वो food sources में से थोड़ा सा quantity कम करना है. इन food sources के quantities थोड़े बढ़ाने हैं. So basically you're not getting into calorie surplus. Okay, अगर दोनों भी बढ़ने लग गए the calories overall would keep increasing, right? So which is not the goal. I mean, that could be your goal, but right now that's not my goal. I don't want to increase my calories. I want to eat the same, and at the same time I just want to change the composition of the whole plate. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm going to increase the quantity of chicken, I'm going to reduce the quantity of rice and chapatis. Okay, I'm going to increase the quantity of eggs, I'm going to decrease the quantity of idlis or maybe poha that I'm eating in the morning. That's how I'm going to balance it out. Now comes the point where let's say if your protein requirement is way too high, for example 150 to 180 jinka bhi hoga, they might be able to relate to this. It gets fucking difficult to eat so much. Okay, now what do? That is the point where you jump onto supplements. Okay, once you feel now you're not able to add anything extra than this, okay, like you're fed up of eating, then convenience comes into picture, which is a scoop of protein. So once you add the scoop of protein, directly you're notching up 25 grams of protein. So that you can have it, maybe option number one, you can have it post workout, or second option would be throughout the day, wherever you feel you're not getting enough amount of protein, that is the time you can have that scoop of protein along with currently what you're eating. Now coming to the point, vegans, especially for vegans, I would say it's going to be way too difficult for you to increase your protein intake. So by hook or crook, from the beginning itself, I would say start having protein supplements. There's nothing wrong in it. There are multiple brands. I'm going to link down all the brands that I recommend and I've personally used. So you can have a look at it. You can buy it either from Amazon or your preference. I mean, if you know any store who sells out like genuine products, then you can go buy it from there. So quickly summarizing the video, how much protein do you need? Calculate that first. Second step is how much are you currently eating? ये कैसे करोगे? Healthify Me पे जाके एक दिन पूरा track करोगे. Third thing is setting realistic goals. Let's say if you're eating 40 grams, week for the goal would be adding 10 grams each week. Okay, set realistic goals. Fourth one, from the list of protein rich foods, you're going to pick up foods that you specifically eat. Okay, put it on the paper. Fifth one would be understanding the values. The food that you listed in the paper, you're going to write the values per 100 grams or let's say 200 ml depending on the food source that you're picking up. Sixth one would be realistically allocating those sources in each and every meal. Let's say depending on 3 meals or 2 meals or 2 meals, I would say it's going to be very difficult for you to meet a requirement in 2 meals. So yeah, either 3 meals, either 4 meals. And that's how you sort out your daily protein requirement. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. And if you found this helpful, then please do not forget to hit like, share this with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Do it right daily. And until next time, I'll see you there.